you ever dreamt of owning a business and letting somebody else run it? Maybe you've thought, I'll just hire a manager, step back, and let the money roll in. That sounds good, right? I hear a lot of students say that when they first come to me. But here's the truth most first time buyers don't want to hear. Buying a business you've never worked in is like skydiving without checking your parachute. You might be fine, but if you're wrong, you will lose more than just money. Hi, I'm John Stoddard. I help first-time buyers find, fund, and close million-dollar businesses. I've raised $50 million and closed $33 million in deals. Every week, I break down real acquisition deals, red flags, and lessons learned. I'm prepared. If that sounds like your kind of content, just hit subscribe. Let's talk about the real risks of buying a business without ever working in it. There's this fantasy that's been sold online. Buy a business, install a manager, walk away, and collect the checks. Passive income, financial freedom, laptop lifestyle. The reality, most of those stories are either exaggerated or end in silence. Because you don't understand how the business actually runs, you can't manage what you can't see. You don't know if the numbers are off. You don't know when a vendor's pricing shift is a big deal. You don't know what normal looks like. And that illusion of easy profits, it cracks the moment something goes wrong. And you don't know how to fix it. Every single industry has nuances. You think running a coffee shop is just serving lattes? Think again. Inventory, spoilage, staffing during seasonal rushes, even HVAC maintenance or for perishable goods. All of that matters. Without industry knowledge, you're flying blind. You won't recognize when sales are dipping due to a trend or a deeper operational issue. And worse, you might find strategic decisions that actually hurt the business because you misjudged the market. When you've never worked in a business, you're missing the micro level friction points. You don't know that Janice in accounting always covers for the sloppy bookkeeping. You don't see that the vendor relationships are personal and can disappear with the old owner. Or that business only runs because of one key employee who's always shopping for a new job. Without that experience, your blind spots become expensive. Here's another big risk. You might overpay. When you don't understand how the business really operates, you might believe inflated earnings. You might miss red flags in customer concentration, churn, or seasonal swings. And you'll base your valuation on what the broker tells you, or worse, on what the seller feels it's worth. That's how these first-time buyers get burned. Due diligence becomes guesswork instead of risk mitigation. So how do you do it the right way? Start by getting inside the business. Even a week on site with the seller, shadowing operations will teach you more than any P&L. Or bring on an operator, someone who knows the industry and can help you during the transition. Learn from experienced buyers. Study the playbooks. Understand the risk before you wire a dime. Buying a business is the fastest path to wealth, but only if you buy with eyes wide open. If this helps, subscribe and drop a comment down below. Let me know what industry you're looking at, and I'll share what to watch out for. And if you want this exact blueprint I wish I had when I bought my first business, grab the link in the description down below. I'll see you on the next one.